Bene! Bene! Che poi...
everyone, Gianluchisano and welcome to my channel. So the TV and radio personality Anele Mdoda has been trending for the last 2 to 3 days, all because she got married over the Easter long weekend. Now, usually when there is negativity on social media about a topic or a person, it's often on Twitter and TikTok, but hardly on Instagram. But not with Anele's wedding. I don't know if it's because they didn't expect her to get married at almost 41 with a child from another man to a prince, or they are jealous that she did. But the nasty comments were all over the social media apps. Others were judging the husband for seemingly being fruity in their opinion, calling the marriage a lavender marriage. Others claiming to know the guy as a social climber or attention seeker like Brian, Minnie Dlamini's recent ex, and others comparing her wedding to our forever Miss Universe, Zozi. Now, whilst there were many critics, there were obviously many of those that clapped back in Anele's defense. My favorite was when someone said Zozibini Tunzi didn't post content of Abakongi, as in the delegates paying lobola unengqondo lamntana, as in she's smart or mature. Another one clapped back saying, when you have nothing in your name, angeke bakulobole nangebhokwe ehudayo. As in she won't even get lobola, not even with a goat that has diarrhea. Yo, andayihleka yebhokwe ehudayo. Why are they even comparing the two? Anele and Zozi are two different people from different families with different preferences. The two are not even beefing. Anele was at Zozi's wedding attending with her now husband. Anyway, life is definitely off social media. The people that were there were clearly having a good time. They know what's good or best for Anele. One of Anele's besties, Kaya Dlanga, was very ecstatic. He shared the wedding content before Anele or the groom. Sizwe Dlomo was also in attendance. One of Anele's other besties, Trevor Noah, was absent. He probably had other engagements, likely preparing for his next tour in Abu Dhabi this coming weekend. Anele captioned her dad as the happiest he's ever been, and most importantly, the couple themselves seemed very happy, and that's what really matters. Now, social media folks also spotted the absence of Anele's celebrity sister, Thembisa Mdoda. Man, even last year she wasn't at Anele's big 40th birthday celebration. This can only mean the rivalry between them is not yet over, which is very sad because they were once like how Tyler and Sydney are, pretty close. By the way, Anele tagged her husband on that video asking yes, no, maybe. So I think that's a hint that they are going to have a white wedding. Well, based on that big 40th birthday celebration she had last year, they are likely going to have a white wedding. Anele is a very good blend of a city and a village girl, so they are likely going to have another celebration in the city. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.